wherever your travels take you, and if this is home, welcome home. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're seated in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. To help keep this aircraft comfortable for our next customers, please open your overhead air vents. And if you're seated next to a window, please close the window shades. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team. They'll be more than